Have you ever wanted to invest in property, but you've been put off because you thought it was too expensive? Well, I felt exactly the same, but I no longer feel that way. Why? Because this property that I'm standing in right now, I purchased for £62,000. Yes, that's right, £62,000. Now, with a little bit of work, I transformed it from this into this. And what's even more interesting is I actually made £53,000 in 7 months by doing this. So it turns out the property investing wasn't expensive, I just didn't have the right knowledge and I wasn't investing in the right area. So if you want to find out how and learn all about tips and tricks so that you can do this too, then please register for our free webinar and I hope to see you there.